Good guys, so right now I got a little issue with my PlayStation remotes. It's not just one of them. I know in most videos they have it where they show it's just one remote probably, and then you can use another one to turn it on. But right now I got all three of my remotes not turning on, and this is pretty weird. I just came home, and yeah, so right now I'm just trying to see what I can do. I'm gonna try to fix this problem and then post it in case anybody else is going through the same thing, but bear with me. I don't know. I've been watching videos where they say you can hold this button and the share button to reset it, and then it's telling me how I need to get to the Bluetooth screen, but I can't even get to the Bluetooth settings without any remote because they're both down. So I'm gonna see what happens. So I ended up coming and trying out another PlayStation in the house, and I'm gonna try to plug this in. Sorry about the music in the background. I'm gonna turn it into another part of the house and got another PlayStation, and I came to plug my remote in, and I see right here it's actually letting me charge it and make it work. So maybe it's my wire. So I'm gonna take this wire to my room and I'm gonna try it out and see what happens. So basically at this point I have a feeling it's not the remote. It's either the wire or it's the PlayStation. So let's see what this wire does. Maybe this wire is stronger, maybe. And you see we're still just getting a regular blink. Wow. So I'm guessing it's the PlayStation. It's definitely the PlayStation, because wow, that's ridiculous. So right here, all I did was just turn off my PlayStation all the way. Wanted to see what would happen with it all the way off. So I'm gonna plug this in. See, nothing's coming on. So I'm gonna click the middle button. So the middle button actually turned the PlayStation on. So that's a start, but no telling if it's gonna actually work.
PlayStation now signal isn't on.
Now it isn't on? What? I mean, it's on.
PlayStation.
I don't know. Still showing yellow. I just restarted it. Let's see. We're lucky. Let's see if this turns on. I guess it reset. I'm hoping it works. Usually when it shows that, it works. Alright, it's turning back on. Let's see if it works. That's ridiculous. If I can go to a whole nother PlayStation and my controller works, and I have 3 controllers, so yeah, and they're all not working, so yeah, that's a coincidence. Alright, let's see. Oh, it let me click it. Oh my goodness. So basically, all I did was hold these 2 down, and then I reset it. I held them down until it cut completely off. Until it turns completely off. But wow, it's back on. So hold on, let me try my other remote. Let's see if it was just because I honestly keep my PlayStation on all the time, and that's probably not a good thing, but it was on a long time and it's been on all day since I've been gone. So I just keep my music playing so my dogs can be chilling. All right, and then this one. Wow, this one came on. Alright, so basically all you gotta do is reset it, and that's your 2K19 video on how to reset a PlayStation, the newest one this year. So all the other guys, I kept telling you to go to Bluetooth, you need to connect the Bluetooth, you need to do all that. Obviously you don't. All you gotta do is reset your whole PlayStation and it'll work. Thank you guys. Hope this helped y'all.